Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Today we're going to study how to multiply decimals. Let's see the first example. 8.2 times 0.3. Consider 8.2. 8.2 can be changed to 82 divided by 10. Then consider 0.3. 0.3 can be changed to 3 divided by 10. Since division and multiplication are in the same order of operation, we can switch divided by 10 and times 3. So 82 divided by 10 times 3 divided by 10 is equal to 82 times 3 divided by 10 divided by 10. Do you remember how to divide a decimal by 10? You just move the decimal point one place to the left. In this case, you have 2 of divided by 10, so you need to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Now let's start the calculation. First, you ignore the decimal point and just calculate 82 times 3. Let's calculate this by column multiplication. 2 times 3 becomes 6, and 8 times 3 is 24. Since 246 is a whole number, we can place the decimal point at the right end. Then, you just move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So the answer is 2.46. For multiplication of decimals, just ignore the decimal point and multiply the rest. Move the decimal point from the right end to the left. Let's try another question. 9.4 times 8.5. First of all, ignore the decimal point. So we calculate 94 times 85 by column multiplication. Focus on 5 first. 4 times 5 becomes 20. So 0 is placed here and 2 is carried over to the next digit. 9 times 5 becomes 45, and added by 2, it will be 47. So 7 is placed here and 4 will be in the next digit. Now we move to 8. 4 times 8 is 32. So 2 is placed here and 3 is carried over to the next digit. 9 times 8 is 72, and added by 3, it will be 75. So 5 is placed here and 7 will be in the next digit. Now we need to add them. 0 just moves down. 7 plus 2 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 7 moves down. Now we need to deal with the decimal point. The original question was 9.4 times 8.5, but we did 94 times 85. Since 94 is a whole number, we can place the decimal point at the right end. To change 94 to 9.4, the decimal point was moved one place to the left. In a similar way, 85 can have the decimal point at the right end. To change 85 to 8.5, the decimal point was moved one place to the left. This means we need to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Now we can place the decimal point at the right end of 7,990. Then we need to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So the answer is 79.90. We can eliminate the 0, so the final answer is 79.9. Let's try one more question. 4.32 times 6.2. First of all, ignore the decimal point. We calculate 432 times 62 by column multiplication. we need to focus on 2 first. 2 times 2 becomes 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. Now we move to 6. 2 times 6 is 12. So 2 is placed here and 1 is carried over to the next digit. 3 times 6 is 18 and added by 1 it will be 19. So 9 is placed here and 1 will be carried over to the next digit. 4 times 6 is 24 and added by 1 it will be 25. So 5 is placed here and 2 will be in the next digit. Now we need to add them. 4 just moves down. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. So 7 moves down and 1 is carried over to the next digit. 1 plus 5 is 6 and 2 moves down. Now we need to deal with the decimal point. The original question was 4.32 times 6.2, but we did 432 times 62. Since 432 is a whole number, we can place the decimal point at the right end. To change 432 to 4.32, the decimal point was moved 2 places to the left. In a similar way, 62 has the decimal point at the right end. To change 62 to 6.2, the decimal point was moved 1 place to the left. This means that we need to move the decimal point 3 places to the left. Now we can place the decimal point at the right end of 26,784. Then we move the decimal point 3 places to the left. So the answer is 26.784. Let's summarize today's lesson. When you multiply decimals, ignore the decimal point first. Multiply what is left over. Move the decimal point from the right end to the left according to the original place of the decimal point. Here are some challenge questions. Try them out. Sample solutions are linked under the video. Hope you can solve them. Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Please subscribe if you'd like to join our Inspire Math tutoring community. There are some related videos linked below. Thank you and have a good one.